Here is a puzzle that only 3% of students get right the first time. Do you think you are in that 3%? Let's test your brain power right now. Here is the challenge. 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2 equals what? It looks simple, right? But most people give the wrong answer. Now, pause this video and try it yourself. Don't cheat. Take 10 seconds to work it out and leave your answer in the comments. According to PEMDAS or board mass, they are the same. We are to solve what we have in the parentheses or bracket first. That means we have 2 plus 2. We solve this first and it gives 4. So this question becomes 8 divided by 2 bracket 4. And this is where most students get it wrong. When we have something like this, there are two options. Do we say 8 divided by 2 times 4, or do we say 8 divided by 2 times 4? According to PEMDAS, when division and multiplication appear in the same question, you solve from left to right. So now that we have 8 divided by 2 times 4, we are to solve from left to right. That means we will divide before we multiply. So this will give 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and we have 4 times 4, and the answer will be 16, which is the correct answer. But if you solve it this way and then you multiply first, this way you'll be having 8 divided by 8, and your answer will be 1, which is wrong. So now is your turn. Try this one. 12 divided by 3 bracket 3 plus 1 equals what? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you join the top 3%. For those who solved it, you are sharper than most students out there. If you love brain teasing math challenges like this, hit like so YouTube knows you want more. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss my next challenge corner puzzle. See you in the next video.